Hey guys, day number 11 following my diabetes. No, sorry, day number 12. Yesterday was 11. Today is number 12. Yesterday I woke up about 4 o'clock, like I typically do. My blood sugar felt great. I had a brand new side in because my other one had clogged and had to completely restart. So it was feeling pretty good. Decided to have some peanut butter when I woke up in order to help tide me over till dinner time. I had equally about 4 tablespoons on 2 spoons. I just ate it straight. About 6 o'clock, I had rice with my wife's chili soup, vegetable stew stuff, and I gave myself 15 units for that. About 10 o'clock, when I went to work, my blood sugar felt like it was starting to go low. So I started snacking on some of my Taki chips. Kind of just making sure that I didn't drop while I was out walking around and dealing with my job. 12 o'clock, I had some pickles, salty, crunchy snack like chips, but without any carbs. They're the pickle chips. At that time, I started drinking my Crystal Light. 3 o'clock, uh, I had my wife's chicken pesto, which is pasta, vegetables, chicken, all mixed in a pesto sauce. I gave myself 13 units right after I finished eating that. About 5 o'clock, I felt like I started to go low, but I didn't want to counteract it. I might have just been hungry. So I didn't eat. I had a sugar-free energy drink. At that point, I started feeling better. I didn't have any carbs. So I think it was a false low. And that was about it as far as food and drinks. Today's activity level was extremely low, just like it was yesterday, which happens. I like to try and do something, but if work doesn't have me doing a lot of work, then I try and keep it easy in case something does happen. My goal for today, I don't really have none. I don't really have a goal. I might try and organize my laundry room a little bit, get it easier to use, but kind of depends on how I feel when I get back. I think I need to give it a shot right now because I feel like I'm starting to feel a little bit high, but I'm not 100% sure. How's my pump today? My pump is doing great. I had no issues. Every time I give a shot, it reacts accordingly. If I don't give a shot, again, it reacts accordingly. Knowledge check for today is glucagon. A glucagon is an emergency measure for a diabetic when their blood sugar goes too low. Typically, it comes in a red rectangular box, about half the size of a box of pencils when you buy them from the store. Inside is a large syringe. Inside that syringe is a liquid. In the box also comes with a small vial of a tablet inside. You're supposed to take the syringe, empty it into the vial, mix it up, stir it up. Don't shake it because it creates air bubbles. But you're supposed to roll it, and the tab will dissolve in the liquid from the syringe. It's an emergency measure for if the body gets into that starvation mode and starts going into a coma, starts having seizures. It's supposed to go into a large muscle group, into the butt or into the thigh, and it is opposite of what you would think insulin would be when it comes in a shot, because essentially it's straight sugar. They can save a diabetic from going into a coma. But a glucagon is one of those emergency situations. If I ever needed it, I probably would be at a point where I couldn't use it. Somebody else would have to do it, my wife or somebody around me. They're really easy to use. Lots of directions on the inside. 1, 2, 3 kind of instructions with great, easy to read pictures. Simple definition for today. Last part is hydrohomie. What is my hydrohomie for today? I had 30 ounces of my Crystal Light, which I typically do. And then again, a 16-ounce sugar-free energy drink. That's it for today. Any questions, comments, concerns, clarifications, anything like that, I'd be happy to help. Leave them down below. I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.